Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Beyond Bitcoin, the future of cryptocurrency. Did you know that over 300 million people worldwide now use cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is just the beginning? What if I told you the next wave of digital money could reshape finance, gaming, and even the internet itself? Stick around, because today we're diving into the future of cryptocurrency beyond Bitcoin, and it's more revolutionary than you think. Bitcoin changed the game. It introduced the world to decentralized money. But crypto has evolved far beyond just digital gold. Today, thousands of altcoins are solving real-world problems, from speeding up transactions to powering the metaverse. So, what's next for crypto? Let's break it down. Problem: Bitcoin's slow transactions, high fees, energy debates, memes about volatility. Bitcoin isn't perfect. It's slow, expensive to use, and burns insane energy. Plus, it can't handle smart contracts or DeFi. That's why innovators are building faster, greener, and more versatile cryptocurrencies. The question is, which ones actually matter? Exploration, development. Ethereum and smart contracts. ETH logo. DeFi apps. Ethereum lets developers build apps, NFTs, and DeFi platforms, but its upgrades, like proof of stake, are critical for survival. Ripple, XRP, and instant payments. Money transfers between banks. Banks use Ripple to move money globally in seconds. Could this replace SWIFT? Stablecoins, USDT, USDC. Dollar-pegged coins, inflation charts. Stablecoins offer price stability. But could government-backed CBDCs kill them? DeFi and Web3 tokens. Uniswap, Aave, MetaMask. Decentralized finance lets you lend, trade, and earn interest without banks. But is it safe? NFTs and metaverse coins. Bored Apes, Sandbox, VR worlds. NFTs are more than art, they're digital property rights. Could metaverse tokens like Mana be the next big thing? Epic montage of crypto trends. DeFi TVL growth, NFT sales, CBDC headlines. Here's the game changer. Crypto is merging with AI, gaming, and real-world assets. Imagine tokenized stocks, AI-run DAOs, or NFTs that unlock VIP experiences. The lines between money, tech, and culture are blurring fast. Conclusion: Bitcoin was the spark, but the crypto fire is spreading. Whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or CBDCs, the future is multi-chain and decentralized. The only constant? Change. So, stay curious, because the next 100x opportunity might not be Bitcoin, but what's built on top of it. Subscribe. What's your pick for the next big crypto? Drop it in the comments. Down finger. Want more? Smash like, subscribe, and check out my video on 5 crypto projects that could explode in 2025.